and welcome to the fourth and the last episode of government-backed investment schemes. In the last few videos, we spoke about Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Kisan Vikas Patra and National Savings Certificate. आज हम बात करेंगे about a scheme that is for you if you are a senior citizen. It is called Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. इस स्कीम में आपको टैक्स रिडक्शन भी मिलता है, कोई लॉक इन पीरियड भी नहीं है और गवर्नमेंट बैक्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्कीम है तो सेफ भी कहलाई जाती है। तो आइए जानते हैं इसको बहुत डिटेल में। लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ एलिजिबिलिटी ऑफ द स्कीम। A person who is above the age of 60 or is of 60 years of age, then they can apply for this scheme. Any civilian between the age of 55 to 60 can apply within 3 months of their retirement, and any defense personnel between the age of 50 to 60 can apply within 3 months of their retirement too. Now there is one more provision where a spouse of a government employee, state or central, can apply for this scheme if their spouse's age was above 50 and they died while they were still in service. अब इसमें आप दो टाइप के अकाउंट्स ओपन कर सकते हो, सिंगल होल्डर अकाउंट और जॉइंट होल्डर अकाउंट। बट रिमेंबर, इफ यू ओपन एन अकाउंट विद अ जॉइंट होल्डर अकाउंट देन इट हैज टू बी विद योर स्पाउस, और जिसके नाम से ये अकाउंट ओपन किया जाएगा उसी की एज कंसिडर की जाएगी। ये अकाउंट आप किसी भी शेड्यूल्ड बैंक या पोस्ट ऑफिस में खुलवा सकते हो। अब आते हैं हाउ मच इन्वेस्टमेंट कैन यू मेक अंडर दिस स्कीम इन वन अकाउंट। The threshold for minimum investment is 1,000 rupees and maximum investment is 30 lakh rupees. इसमें आप multiple accounts भी open कर सकते हो, but remember that one person can collectively invest only 30 lakh rupees regardless of how many accounts you hold. Even for joint account, each of the two can invest 30 lakh rupees maximum each, meaning 30 lakhs plus 30 lakhs. Also remember that in one account you can only make one-time lump sum investment. So if you want to make investment in installments, you have to open multiple accounts. So if you think that the rates will go up, you can invest some now and some amount later when the rates go up by opening another account under the same name. Now coming to the maturity period. Now the maturity period is 5 years, but you can extend it multiple times in blocks of 3 years. And if the account is a joint account, then the spouse can also continue to be with the account if she is the nominee. If the account holder in the single account passes away, then the account can be closed prematurely. Now coming to how much returns you will get from this scheme. Right now, the interest rate is at 8.2% per annum. The interest rate is renewed or reviewed quarterly and is based on economic conditions. Now this interest rate is applicable till maturity, but if you extend the maturity period, then the interest rate applicable is of the previous year. It will be applicable for this block. For example, you made an investment of 1.5 lakh rupees in this scheme and the interest rate is 8.2% right now. Then 5 years, this interest rate will be applicable. Now, assuming you extended the tenure and the interest rate fell to 8%, but your rate of interest will be 8.2% for this block. Now, if you extend it further for 3 more years, the interest rate will be of the previous block, which is 8%. तो साथ ही साथ ये भी देख लेते हैं कि आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट कितनी हो जाएगी in 5 years till maturity if you invest now. Now coming to taxation, you get a Section 80C benefit on deposit, but interest rate is taxable on slab rates. But if you are above the age of 60, only if your interest amount is above 50,000 rupees, a TDS is applied. For those aged between 55 to 60, this is 10,000 rupees and then only the TDS will apply if it increases the 10,000 threshold. Now, how to prematurely close your account? Now, there is no lock-in period in this, but if you want to close the account prematurely, you will have to pay some penalty. Now, अगर आपका अकाउंट 1 to 2 years के बीच में क्लोज हो जाता है तो 1.5% की पेनल्टी लगेगी, और अगर आप 3 to 5 years के बीच में करते हो तो 1% की पेनल्टी लगेगी। जो आपका प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट है जो आपने इन्वेस्ट किया था उस पे ये पेनल्टी लगेगी और बचे हुए अमाउंट पे इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट होगा और आपको मिलेगा लंप सम ऑफ द टू। जब आप अकाउंट से विड्रॉ करोगे तब वो प्रीमेच्योरली क्लोज हो जाएगा, तो इसमें पार्शियल विड्रॉल का ऑप्शन बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। अब शुड यू इन्वेस्ट इन दिस स्कीम? as far as taxation, lock-in and safety is concerned, seems like a good scheme. Interest rates are also reasonable and mostly better than other debt instruments. But one thing needs to be done is to compare with what bank rates are for senior citizen FDs or sorts, because for senior citizens, mostly banks offer rates that are competitive with SCSS. So compare and see. The only benefit here is that government backed scheme है तो safe भी हो सकता है. So this was all about the scheme and the last episode of this series, government backed investment schemes. But before investing, do talk to your investment advisor for better advice tailored according to your portfolio. Links of the previous videos are in the description so you can watch and compare on where to invest. And that's all for today. So stay tuned to ET Now for more such news and views.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.